Hello. Welcome to a new Rocketbot class. Today, we're going to start with the Python section, where we'll see how to install libraries, how to run scripts directly modified from Rocketbot Studio, and how to run scripts that are outside of Rocketbot Studio. In other words, scripts that were created outside of Rocketbot Studio and that we have saved as files on our computer. Alright. For that, we go to Script and select Execute File Python. This is the example I was mentioning, that it's a .py file I have installed on my computer. So I'm going to call it. Just so you can see and visualize, this is the code that the file has specifically. It uses this library that I don't have installed right now and need to install. Notice that if I try to run it, basically it can't find it. So let's open our terminal. We're going to navigate to the folder where we're working with Rocketbot Studio, the modules folder, and then we'll go inside libs. Once we're there, we're going to run the following command, pip3 install. The module we want to install, -t, space, and a dot at the end. What this does, the -t and the space with the dot, what it determines is that the library will be installed in the location where I'm working, only in that location and not system-wide. So, when you hit enter, the installation will start. Notice that it's in progress, and once it's installed, if I run it again, it automatically shows that it executed correctly. The error doesn't appear anymore. And the language, notice here that I used a set var, which returns a result in a variable called idioma de niveau, which is in our environment and tells us that it's in French. Alright, in this way, we can install any type of library we need to work with, and you can see that it's very simple, very easy to do, and at the same time, it installs very quickly. Alright, I hope this is helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next class.